Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sissy, and since it's winter, we will be making a snowflake. It is super easy and fun. First, you will need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. Now that you got what you need to make the snowflake, we can get started. Follow along while I make the snowflake. If you need to catch up, you can pause the video anytime you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. See you in my next video. Bye!